Weighted lottery. Who gets COVID-19 vaccine first? The so-called weighted lottery aims for fair allocation of COVID-19 vaccines to everyone. While everyone will have a chance, some may receive a better shot. However, it may not remove the ranking considered by healthcare professionals. This is because medical workers, people with chronic illnesses, and older adults have the highest risk of infection. The ranks of these groups have more weight than others. According to the University of Pittsburgh, the policy is used in healthcare systems to allocate scarce medications as fair and transparent as possible. In this pandemic, COVID-19 vaccines are treated as scarce resources. And with recent development in vaccine clinical trials, hospitals will face difficult choices to whom vaccines must be given. Dr. Douglas White, who led the framework of the lottery, said, "I speculate that this is because we are very transparent about the reason and the ethical framework that applies to everyone who comes into hospital, whether that is the hospital of the president or someone who is homeless." 3 important features of the policy have been revealed. First, an allocation team makes the decision, not treating doctors. This ensures objectivity in allocating vaccines. Second, the framework enhances the medical benefit of communities. It is meant to prevent discrimination and reduce social disparities. And third, a weighted lottery will be applied in supply problems. This helps mitigate issues in treating COVID-19 patients. According to the New York Times, some people have a small chance of winning the lottery. These are people with terminal illnesses and limited lifespans. Though the framework does not define eligibility based on the ability to pay, disability, age, race, ethnicity, and quality of life. That appears to fight uncertainties in some races in the US, such as Blacks and Latinos. The framework was tested in the distribution of remdesivir in June. A total of 64 patients found eligible for the medication. They had to make the supply last for at least 2 weeks, said Dr. White. Their supply could only treat 1 in every 4 patients. Aside from fair allocation, the lottery may assist researchers to determine which groups are best to be given. The lottery mimics randomized, controlled clinical trials of COVID-19 vaccines. This can reveal the true efficacy of vaccines and how many shots a person needs to be protected.